Hi everyone, I've just got a car here. It's a Mazda 2 TZ. Just doing a basic thing basically on the car, basic check over, but I just really need to know why Mazda 2 all Mazda cars suffer with a lot of corrosion. As you can see right here, there's so much corrosion on the car itself. It's unbelievable, and it's not even that old. You know, it's a 2012 plate car. So much corrosion on the car, which I don't really understand why. But it's only the Mazda that really suffers with it. I mean, you can see the suffering itself as well. It's quite bad. If anyone's got any information on this, please do let me know. It'd be quite helpful, as I don't know why these cars suffer a lot with corrosions. I mean, you'd get a similar car like a Fiesta or something, you know, with the same age, that wouldn't have as much corrosion as this one has. You can see even the calipers, the shock absorbers, you know, the drive shaft, everything is so bad. And the wheels as well, as you can see, all the paint's flaking off. But yeah, please do let me know. It'd be quite helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.